This is my wild plum cheese. And why is it called cheese? Because years ago they used to use the old cheese moulds to shape it in. So to make this, you need to wash your plums. I'm using about 800 grams of plums here. Get them into a pan. I'm using a bit of mugwort to flavour them. It could be rosemary. Bring them up to the boil and simmer them until they go all stewy and the stones start to come away. Remove the flavouring or the herbs and then give them a little pulse with the hand blender and then rub that pulp through the sieve. Try not to waste anything. Get rid of the seeds and then you're going to weigh the pulp, get that back into a pan and add the same amount of golden castor sugar to pulp. Bring this up to the boil and you're going to boil it rapidly until it hits about 106 to 108 degrees. Or spoon some onto the saucer, do the old school test and it should set like this. You can see it's almost holding. Get it into a jug and then I'm going to pour this into moulds. They're not cheese moulds, but this could be a loaf tin, whatever you've got, and then tap it down to get the air out and let this set at room temperature. Don't put it in the fridge. And after about 4 hours, you can see this is set nicely and I'm going to turn it out. I'm trying to avoid using cling film. It's tough, but I'm giving it a go. But look at that, it's set perfectly. And then when you slice through it with a knife, it just cuts. I like it spreadable. I don't like it when it's too firm. Then makes it perfect to go with cheese, cold meats, roasted meats, or even stir it into your sauces and gravies at the end. I wrapped it up in paper, tied it with string, and this will keep for 6 months.